In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a bio on Gumroad. First, open your browser and go to Gumroad. Then, log in to your account using your preferred login method. After logging in, go to the left sidebar and scroll down until you find Settings. Click on it. Now open the Profile tab at the top of the page. Inside the Profile section, you'll see options to edit your username, display name, profile picture, and bio. To add your bio, simply click inside the bio field and write a short description about yourself, your brand, or the products you sell. Try to keep your bio clear and concise. A good bio usually explains what you create, who your products are for, and what customers can expect from your store. For example, you could write something like, I create digital planners, templates, and tutorials for creators and small businesses. You can also include links to your website or social media pages if you want customers to connect with you outside Gumroad. Once you finish editing your bio, click Update Settings to save your changes. Your bio will now appear on your public Gumroad profile and help visitors better understand your brand and products. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.